So, this is Jake's tutorial on how to fix a PlayStation.
He's gonna fix his PlayStation with his knife.
My knife.
He's a real expert, so.
Oh, I'm an expert over it. I'll fix this up.
So watch the detail of what his knife can do with his PlayStation 3.
Watch. I think the owner of this PlayStation's getting called the little knife right now, and I don't think he likes it too much. So right
Look
now,
at that detail of that just awesome fixing.
Just push it. Don't push it. Push out it.
Yeah, it's pretty obviously did. Can you fix this thing? Make it run like a speedway car?
Bop on your. Decent beats without soccer.
Look at that clamp, man. It's a Craftsman clamp on that shucker.
300 millimeter.
300.
The best money can buy. This is Zack's PlayStation controllers he stole from me. This one has tape on it because he smashed it.
There's tape right there.
Just took it.
Look at that. The old chunks taken out of it.
Just got really mad one day. And
Guys, Sony or Samsung TV.
PlayStation sadly almost lost its life. I think we fixed it. It's all
I
mine.
think you fixed it with that knife.